in your right hand the first two notes, and then can you do this? Can you just fall over yourself? Yep. And now play the next ones. Fall over. Fall over. Good. And now, fall over, and then turn around and fall there. Bravo. It's the right hand basically that's going to lead you through this. And every
Okay.
time you turn back this way,
Mm-hmm.
just bring the left hand along for the ride. Yes. The left hand should have no idea where to go
Okay.
until
it sees the right.
it sees the
This
right
comes
hand
down.
going that way.
Okay.
Yes, you got it now. The up was a very good. The down,
Down,
needs a
not
little.
so good.
What's the
It's
difference?
harder on the way down.
Explain the difference. Because you're right.
It's just easy to stretch in the, but on the way down, you have to pick your hand up and move it, I guess.
Something
that's
like
why.
that. On the way up, when you turn around and
You're
come
just
back,
coming
less
than
than
an octave.
where it was.
And here it's
on the
like
way.
a what,
It's an octave plus a third or a fourth.
okay. Okay, of
So
course.
you might want, yeah, it's one of these duh things that once we realize what it is, we solved it. So on the way down, tell yourself, I gotta go past that note and go to there. I gotta go past E to C, past C to G. That's the general idea. So let's try that from up here. Let's just do the right hand. So E, past E, go to C. Past C, go to G. And the left hand just waits for the right hand to do this.